Sometimes I hear people saying that artificial grass kills wildlife, but here at Cutting Edge Artificial Grass we believe that you can have artificial grass and still attract the wildlife. For example, this is some artificial grass, recycled artificial grass that we laid some time ago, and it's surrounded by soil covered with a thin layer of bark. We've also put a load of old logs and rotten wood surrounding it to try and attract wee insects like woodlice. We've also got lots of wee plants in, like we've got blueberry in the middle, nasturtium, strawberry, nasturtium with grape, some petunias, garden peas, sunflower, more grape, and a couple of blueberry bushes. And in between it we've got a submerged wormery / composter. So inside there's tiger worms, and you put in kitchen scraps like potato peelings and it converts it into compost and worm soup for fertiliser, and the worms are free to leave the composter via the various vents and enter into the soil under the thin layer of bark. So there you have it, low maintenance recycled artificial grass with plenty of flowering plants that attract wildlife into this wee part of the garden.